Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can enable more private content on the Instagram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's go ahead and get started. And open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, go to your page. And here already in the top right corner, tap on the three bars to go to Settings. Next, scroll down a little bit and find the Suggested Content section. And here you can find a section like this and click on that. Here you'll be able to choose how private your Instagram content will be for you. If you want to make it more private, then select More and confirm your action. That's the way, simple as that, folks. You'll be able to make or enable more private content on the Instagram app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. See you soon.